So this weekend I decided to take some time off from my normal video schedule. It's been a while since I've released a Gag and Blooper video, so here's a couple that I found. And some guy over here, I don't know who he is. What's your name, mate? Sorry,
I've forgotten.
Oh, okay, right. I don't know who he is, but you know, hey.
He does something to 3D printing.
Oh, that's right, yeah, 3D printing. You know about 3D printing, do you?
I've heard a little bit about it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
He knows 3D printing. There you go. People you meet. Hi, my mailbag videos are normally about me unboxing stuff I get in the mail. But I thought I'd just add in some of the projects I have on the back burner, such as a digital trumpet. On second thoughts, let me just see what I've got in the mail. This is a fairly lengthy weekly roundup, so sit back, put your feet up, and let me order a pizza for you. Hey Alexa, order me my favourite pizza. Yes, please. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're probably wondering where JLC PCB Man is. He told me the other day that he's been extremely busy rescuing PCBs around the world. What? You told me he was busy. What's he been doing? He's a slob. I had originally planned the unboxing of these new pies as a MickMake mail video, but some bozo was so excited about getting them that he forgot to set up the cameras properly.
What the heck was that?
Honey!
What the heck was that?
There's an even better way of testing acoustic quality in a room.
Wi-Fi! 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 Where are you taking me?
You better be quiet.
What's going on?
Have a seat. You look tired. I hear you are looking for some merchandise. What value will you accept?
Accept? But I thought...
I can see this is your first time.
First time? No. It's not my first time. Actually,
What value will you accept?
Right. Hundreds. I desperately need hundreds. I really need hundreds.
Sure, we have plenty. Would this be suitable?
No, just act normal.
Act normal.
Oh, JLC PCB.
We'll get there. That's right. What's going on? What's going on?
Can you read your lines first and then...
I can't remember. What value will you accept?
I think that's racist, Dad.
That's some Godfather. It's a Godfather. Oh! Have a seat.
Hey man, what's up? I hear you are looking for some merchandise. I can't take myself. I can see this is your first time. Accept.
Oh, that was good. That was good.
It just seems. It's not focusing properly. What value? hold on, let me do this, Will you accept? Stop it, Dad, come on, this is serious. I'm done.
That was not entertaining.
Subliminal advertising.